Hello students, this is the second session of the chapter heterocyclic compounds. In this session you can find different method for the preparation of heterocyclic compound. That is preparation of furan from mucic acid and furfural, then preparation of thiophene from acetylene and butane, then general mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction, and also nitration of pyrrole, furan and thiophene. What will be the product which we get on nitration of pyrrole, furan and thiophene? Coming to the preparation of furan, furan can be prepared mainly by two methods, out of which the first method is from mucic acid. Mucic acid on dry distillation, it forms furoic acid. This is mucic acid. 2,3,4,5 tetrahydroxyhexane dioic acid. There are two carboxyl group, one here and one here. So it is dioic acid. This 2,3,4,5 tetrahydroxy. There are four hydroxyl group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything, each one on different carbon atoms. So 2,3,4,5 tetrahydroxyhexane dioic acid, common name is mucic acid. This acid on dry distillation we get furoic acid. This is called furoic acid. At second position we have a carboxyl group. This one on heating it will undergo decarboxylation to form furan. This is furan. So this is one method of preparation of furan from mucic acid. Second method is from furfural. Furan is obtained by the oxidation of furfural in the presence of acidified potassium dichromate. This is furfural. Furfural is the second. At the second position there will be an aldehyde group. Furan 2 aldehyde is furfural. Furan 2 aldehyde. CHO is an aldehyde group, formyl group. So this furfural on oxidation we get furoic acid. This molecule we have seen in the last slide. From mucic acid also we get this product. So this furoic acid, further what we can do, which one on decarboxylation, just on heating there will be removal of carbon dioxide molecule and we get furan. So this furfural method also we can use for the preparation of furan. Now, how thiophene can be prepared? Thiophene can be prepared just like we had prepared pyrrole in the previous session. From acetylene we can prepare thiophene. Acetylene should be mixed with H2S because we need sulfur atom instead of nitrogen atom in pyrrole. So sulfur atom along with H2S, when acetylene is mixed and the mixture is passed through red hot tube in presence of aluminium oxide at 400 degrees Celsius, we get the cyclic product thiophene. Acetylene 2 molecule mixed with hydrogen sulfide and passed through red hot tube containing aluminium oxide at 400 degrees Celsius, we get the product thiophene. From butane, on heating butane with sulfur, butane is mixed with sulfur at 650 degrees Celsius in gaseous phase, thiophene is obtained. This method also we can use for the preparation of thiophene. Now, general mechanism for electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction means what? When the hydrogen atom in a molecule is substituted by an electrophile. It is called electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophile means electron deficient compound. Normally we represent electrophile with a plus charge. For example, E plus we give for electrophile. Nucleophile means it is nucleus electron rich, nucleus loving, electron rich. So it will be Nu minus. Nucleophile will be represented with a minus charge, whereas electrophile will be represented with a plus charge. So what will happen? Whether when on electrophilic substitution on this molecule, on this heterocyclic compound, whether the incoming group will go to the second carbon atom or the third carbon atom. It can go to either second or third. Here also it can go, but if it goes here, this will become the second and third position. That's it. So only two positions are there in this 5-membered heterocyclic compound. So either second position or the third position. Which is the first position? First position is the position where oxygen atom is there. There is no hydrogen atom, so it cannot be replaced by any electrophile. So we will see what will happen when the electrophile occupy the second position. So when this second position should be occupied by an electrophile, then there should be more electron density. How there should be more electron density? How we can make available more electron there? By shifting of this double bond towards this carbon atom. When we shift this double bond to this carbon atom, there will be one electron deficiency, which is indicated by a positive charge. So the electrophile attacked structure is shown here. The second position is occupied by the electrophile, but the third position is having a positive charge. So now at the third position there is a positive charge, but conjugate to that there is a double bond. So this double bond will have a tendency to occupy, to balance that positive charge, but at the same time this position will have a positive charge. The second resonating structure. To balance that, what will happen? There is one lone pair of electron on oxygen atom. That will shift to the double bond. But then oxygen will get a positive charge. After which there is no more structure. This is a final resonating structure of this second position attack of furan. So there are 3 resonating structures possible. Now, how about the attack at the third position? If the electrophile has to attack at the third position, at this position, there should be more electron density. So, this double bond should be shifted towards the third position. And then what will happen? This position, second position, there will be shortage of electron, which we can indicate by a positive charge. Here, there should be a positive charge. So, when there is a positive charge here at the second position, what will happen? This double bond will have a tendency to shift towards there, and there will be a positive charge on the oxygen atom. Afterwards, there is no more structure. Here there should be one double bond. Then what will happen? This double bond cannot shift here. Then here there is only 2 resonating structures possible. 2 resonating structures are possible for third position attack, whereas 3 structures are possible for second position attack. So the third is extra stable contributing structure. Okay, so with this reason we can say in 5-membered heterocyclic compound, the electrophile occupy the carbon second position of the heterocyclic compound. So when we do nitration process for pyrrole is also one 5-membered heterocyclic compound. When we conduct nitration using nitric acid in presence of acetic anhydride, there are 2 products possible. One is 2-nitropyrrole and 3-nitropyrrole, but the percentage of 2-nitropyrrole will be major. It will be maximum above 85%, whereas 3-nitropyrrole, the percentage will be very less, below 10%. So we get 2 different type of product, the major product will be 2-nitropyrrole. What will happen when furan is nitrated? Furan can be nitrated using normal nitrating mixture, that is HNO3, H2SO4 mixture. Again, there is a chance for the formation of 2-nitrofuran and 3-nitrofuran. It should be furan, 3-nitrofuran. So when it is 2-nitrofuran and 3-nitrofuran, major product will be always 2-nitrofuran, and this is around 92% of 2-nitrofuran. Then thiophene. In the case of thiophene, the nitrating agent is different. It is acetyl nitrate. We get 70% of 2-nitrothiophene, and 3-nitrothiophene percentage is almost 5%. So in all the 5-membered heterocyclic compound, we get the major product as the 2 substituted derivative, 2-nitropyrrole, 2-nitrofuran 2-nitrothiophene. So students, in this session, you would have learned about the different method for the preparation of furan and thiophene, then mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction, and some product of nitration of pyrrole, furan and thiophene, where the nitration product will go, where the nitro group will occupy. So nitro group will occupy the second position of this 5-membered heterocyclic group. Why I am telling 5-membered? Because the position of the incoming electrophile is different in the case of 6-membered heterocyclic compound. It normally occupy the third position, whereas in 5-membered heterocyclic compound, it will occupy the second position.